I was really impressed with Schnauber. The service was excellent from start to finish. My name's Dinah. I live in Sawston, Cambridge with my husband and our 2 young daughters. Our old door was in a sorry state. It was very draughty with holes in. It would let water in and we lost a lot of heat through it. There were a lot of options out there, various materials, and we wanted a door that was made of wood but that would be long lasting. We bought the door 2 or 3 months ago and it was installed a month ago and we've been really happy with it. I was really impressed with Schnauber. The service was excellent from start to finish, very friendly, knowledgeable staff who knew the products really well. They weren't just salespeople, but they knew details about how the door would be manufactured. The people who installed the door were really friendly and made sure that our room was protected with dust sheets and the whole thing was done in a day, which we were really happy with. The door feels very secure. It feels really good quality. It was bespoke for us, so we were able to specify what we wanted, such as chrome door furniture, a spy hole. There were loads of colour options and we were able to go for something really quite unusual, which Schnauber to be really knowledgeable and really friendly and excellent service. We would definitely recommend Schnauber, really happy.